Hello everyone. Today I will give you a brief introduction about Zoho Campaigns and how we can sync contacts data from other platforms to Zoho Campaigns. There are a lot of platforms Zoho allow to sync data from, but today in this video we will see specifically that how we can sync contacts or lead from Zoho CRM to Zoho Campaigns, and we will also discuss the recent updates Zoho have made into the Zoho campaigns. They had applied some restrictions kind of thing, and we will see that what are those and how we can sync the data from Zoho CRM. So basically, Zoho Campaign is a platform that we can use to run email or SMS campaigns based on the data we have collected from our CRM or any other application or any lead generation. So based on that data, we can run the email campaigns. Why we run the emails campaigns? Like we can, if there is any new packages in the company, or if there are any new products that company want to introduce that product to their customers, to their contacts, then we can use to run the email campaigns by Zoho campaigns. Or if a company want to send any monthly or weekly newsletter, uh, then we can also use the Zoho campaigns to create the email campaigns. Okay, so let's start how we can sync. We will see that how we can sync leads first from Zoho CRM to Zoho campaigns. So first of all, we will create a contact list here. In the manage lists, we will create a contact list where we will import or sync the leads from our Zoho CRM. So I'm going to create a list here. I will give it a name, all Zoho CRM leads. Save. Okay, now in here in the contacts, you can see an option sync services. When we will go here, there are Zoho list a few platform here that we can use to sync data from. Like you can see, mostly are the Zoho products, but here is also a few other one: Office 365, Salesforce, Sugar CRM. Beside this platform, there are also many other in the settings and in the integration section apps. We can see here that there are a lot of other platforms available that we can use to sync our data, but even there are many other platforms which is not listed here. We can use them as well to sync data into Zoho campaigns. Okay, so now today we are syncing data with Zoho CRM Connect, and it will ask for the authentication, continue, and that's it. It is connected. Let me refresh. Okay, it is connected. Now we to create a sync, as to sync leads or contacts, we will go here in the contacts and sync services. Okay, now you can see we have 0 active syncs. So to create a new sync, we will go here, new sync. Okay, here in this section, Zoho Campaigns recently have made some updates. So now we can uh, create only single sync for one modules. In the previous version, we were allowed to create multiple syncs for even a single module, but in this new update, we can only create a single modules. We can create a single sync for one module. So, and there is no filter we can apply during creating a sync. So it show has all records will be synced with Zoho campaigns. So we do not have any option here to filter the records. So it will by default sync all our leads or all our contacts from Zoho CRM to Zoho campaigns. So after this video, I will create. I have recorded another video The link is in the description. You can use that video to see how we can filter the data, or how we can create segmentations on all the leads to separate the data based on some criteria. Okay, so we will choose the module leads, because we are going to sync leads as contacts in our Zoho campaigns. Sync to list, in which list we are going to sync data. So we have only one list at this moment, all Zoho CRM leads, this one. And subscription type, you can choose as per your requirement. And topic, if you want to add any marketing, and that's it. And we will say next. Okay, in this screen we will map the fields from Zoho CRM to campaigns fields. So here by default it just match two fields. Other fields you have to map manually from here. First you will choose a CRM field like company, and on this side you will create company name, add. So like this, we will map all the fields that we need in the Zoho campaign. So next one is I'm going to add few one, just phone and phone, add more field, mobile it's already selected. Next one, and email is here, first name, add more field, branch. So I for here in here on the campaign side, I do not have any branch field here. So from here I can create a new field. I will give the name branch, same as in our Zoho CRM, and add. There are other fields. If you wish to map them in Zoho campaigns, you can do that. But for now, only I am going to proceed with these fields only. Okay, now we will press this button, initiate, and it will start syncing our Zoho CRM leads here in the campaigns. That's it. We have created the sync, and it will start syncing data automatically here. So we can see the sync history here. At this moment it is not synced. It will take a few minutes. So let me go back in the sync services, and here you can see that we have one active sync. If I press, you can see here, we can click here to see the status. This is basically the configuration tab, showing us the configuration. And here we can see the field mapping. If you later need to change this mapping or need to add any other field, you can add it from here, and map the new fields. And in the sync history we can see all our leads. We have total 619 leads here in our CRM. If let me show you all leads. If I select here and select all, we have 619 leads here in our CRM, which are all synced here. The syncing is still in process. So total, it has not yet added into our list. It will take a few moments and all these contacts into our list. I'm going to pause this video. So after a few minutes, I will start the video again so we can see if the data is synced here. Okay, the sync is completed. I'm going to refresh the page. And the sync is completed. It have imported 464 records, and 115 are skipped, maybe for due to duplication or maybe the invalid emails. Zoho campaigns have on algorithm. They decided they use to test while importing the data, so they have skipped some of them. So now we can see our contacts, imported contacts in this list here, right? In the contacts, we can see all our contacts are here, which we imported from Zoho CRM. Now we can also see, we can create another list. I'm going to create another list, and we will use that list to sync our Zoho CRM contacts here. So I'm going to create a list, all Zoho contacts, and this is, there are some other options we can use to import our contacts into the list, like we can add contacts manually, we can import contacts from other database, like we can use CSV or Excel file to import the contacts if we have in the Excel file, or we can create a sign up or any form, and we can share those form links to anyone on the web, and when they fill that form, a new contact will be created in Zoho campaigns. We will create a separate sync for the contacts, Zoho CRM contacts. So I am going to create a new sync, and now you can see we cannot create another lead sync because we already have one active sync. So now this time we are going to choose contacts, also who contacts, we will choose this list, and sync type marketing, topic marketing, and next. Okay, this is a field mapping area. We can map fields from here, like first name, add more fields, phone, add mobile, add. Okay, I'm just adding these, and we are going to proceed. These are the other modules we can use to uh, import in our contact list, like these accounts, and these are connected modules with the contact. We can also map fields from these modules. Okay, I'm going to initiate, and that's it. We can see at this moment we do not, the sync is not started. It will take a few minutes and our data will be in. So okay, so the sync is in process still. Okay, what I want to explain that when we create a sync, Zoho automatically check for the new records in Zoho CRM. Let's say for this sync, we have created this for leads. So Zoho will automatically, after a few minutes, it check automatically if there are new records in our synced module, like we have synced the leads. It will automatically add those record into this list, whatever list we choose to sync. We have choose this list, so it will automatically keep adding our new leads into this contact list. For just to show you, I'm going to create a new test lead so we can see if it automatically syncs there. I'm going to create this one, lead name test sync lead, email, let's say this one, and I'm just going to put dummy information here and save. That's it, and now we can see in the sync history, uh, at this moment it did not sync any new records because there was none in. I just added a new lead, and after a few minutes or after some time it will automatically sync that lead as well. I'm going to pause the video and restart again when the record is synced. Okay, the sync is completed. I noticed it took less than 2 minutes, and our contact is here automatically. We can also see that contact in that lead in our list. We have used this list, and we can see contacts here. Here is the lead that I have created. Test sync lead. This was the name here. Test sync lead. And you can also see that sorry, go back to, yes, Zoho contacts. This sync has also started, and there are 5 contacts synced in this list. We only have 10 contacts in our CRM, that's why it's too short. So in the next video I will show you how we can use the segmentation and what are the segmentations and why we use that in Zoho campaigns. Take care, bye.